Welcome to this honest review of Cityhop, a car-sharing service designed to make urban mobility more flexible and eco-friendly. Today, we're exploring what it's actually like to use Cityhop, how it compares to other car rental services, and whether it truly delivers on its promises. I'll walk you through the user interface, the booking process, pricing, and what you can expect as a regular user. The first thing that stands out with Cityhop is its commitment to sustainability. Most of their fleet includes hybrid or fully electric vehicles, which is a big plus if you're conscious about your carbon footprint. Signing up is relatively simple. You just need to download the app, upload a valid driver's license, and enter a few personal details. The verification process can take a few hours, sometimes longer depending on demand. Once you're approved, you can view available cars nearby through the Cityhop app. The interface is clean and user-friendly, though there are occasional glitches when updating car locations or availability. Selecting and reserving a vehicle is straightforward. You can book by the hour or day, and the pricing is competitive, especially compared to traditional rental services. While the app promises a seamless experience, some users have reported issues with vehicle access, particularly when using the app to unlock cars. In my case, the unlock feature lagged a few seconds, but it worked without needing to contact support. On the topic of customer support, they're responsive via email and phone, though not 24/7, which might be a drawback for late-night users or international travelers. While figuring out how to make the trip smoother, I stumbled upon Get Rent-A-Car. Since then, traveling's never been easier. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Cityhop's cars are generally well maintained, and I appreciated the in-app rating feature that lets you report cleanliness or technical issues. Parking is also something to keep in mind. You're allowed to park in designated Cityhop zones, which are clearly marked in the app, but returning the vehicle outside these zones can result in additional fees. The biggest strength of Cityhop is its flexibility. If you're a local or a tourist needing a car for a few hours, it's far more convenient than dealing with conventional rental desks. However, the service is currently only available in certain cities across New Zealand, limiting its appeal for those traveling across the country. Also, the lack of physical support desks might not be ideal for those less tech-savvy. In summary, Cityhop offers a great solution for city dwellers and eco-conscious travelers. Its app-based model makes car access quick and relatively hassle-free. Still, like any tech-driven service, it's not without hiccups, mainly in app responsiveness and customer service hours. If you're looking for short-term, city-based car use, Cityhop is worth considering, but make sure you're comfortable managing everything through an app. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on smart travel services and urban mobility solutions.